Let me show you all of the voicemail settings in Oppo A6 Pro 5G. So first of all, we'll need to launch our phone dialer, then we can go to the phone settings. Now when we enter it, we can scroll down to the voicemail and here select the SIM card for the voicemails. Then there's option for notifications. You'll be able to adjust how notifications will appear for your voicemails. You can enable, disable them, put them in silent mode, enable them or disable them for the lock screen, and hide notification details for the lock screen as well. Change the specific sound for the notifications and enable or disable vibrations. Next thing is visual voicemails. You'll be able to enable this or disable them, but if you cannot, that means this option is not supported by your carrier and you might need to upgrade it. Then you can go to voicemail itself, and then there's services. You'll be able to choose your carrier right here, and you can change the number that you want to use for the voicemail as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.